Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite really good. To truly excel, you need to grasp the fundamental mechanics of building and editing, which are crucial for both offense and defense. Mastering your weapon accuracy and understanding recoil control will give you a significant edge in combat. Developing strong situational awareness and deep map knowledge allows for better rotations and engagements. Consistent practice is key to improving your muscle memory and reaction time, making you a more formidable opponent. Building and editing are the backbone of high-level Fortnite play. Practice placing walls, ramps, and floors with lightning speed to create instant cover or gain height. Learn essential editing techniques, such as quick window edits and cone edits, to outmaneuver opponents. Understand common build orders for both defensive structures and aggressive pushes. Dedicate time in creative mode for focused drills, aiming for consistent execution and speed. This dedicated practice will transform your structural game. Improving your combat skills and aim is paramount. Always focus on precise crosshair placement, anticipating where enemies will be. Understand the effective ranges and damage outputs of different weapons to make smart choices in engagements. Practice your shotgun aim for devastating close-range encounters and quick-scope with sniper rifles for long-distance eliminations. Don't forget to effectively utilize utility items like grenades and shockwave launchers to create openings or escape tricky situations. Consistent aim training will pay off. Strategic gameplay and a strong mindset are what separate good players from great ones. Always prioritize gaining and maintaining high ground advantage in any fight, as it offers a significant tactical edge. Understand how the storm zone rotates and anticipate enemy movements to position yourself optimally. Learn when to disengage from unfavorable fights and reset your position, rather than taking unnecessary damage. Finally, maintain a positive attitude and learn from every match, turning losses into valuable lessons for future success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.